Okay. Okay, that's out. A bit dark. Shit. Right, next. It's a bit tight. This one's a bit tight as well. Okay, right now, see if we can get a bit out. Move that and reach there. Yeah, right. There we go, that's out. Oh, it's a bit dark. Dusty it is. Okay, now we can get the hard drive, the board out. Let's see if we can get this big plug, massive plug out. I'll have to do that in a sec. Alright, since we've got that out, what I'm going to do is see if we can get the fan out. Yes, these big plugs that pee me off. All that comes off. It's not good. But leave that on there. Right, I'm going to take this downstairs to clean. See, it's very light now. That's because it's got no, it hasn't got everything in it. It looks completely naked. Right, we're going to take this down and we're going to clean it all out. And I get the big Hoover out. Start cleaning it out. So, bear with me for a second. Right, so I've got the Hoover out, but I need to go and get the right attachments. So yeah, you just have to bear with me for a sec. So see if you can see all the dust. But we can't see it very well. So yeah, I just need to go and get the right attachment. I'll be back. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, everyone. I've got the Hoover already, and I've got the right attachment for it. So yeah, so you're gonna get started. So see me clean it up. Let's do it. It smells nice. So I've cleaned that up a bit, so it should be a bit better now. Cleaned that up a bit. I'll just get a bit of yeah, it should do for now. Right, now what to do is go and get the mother. So I'll be back in a minute. So stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I've got the motherboard. Excuse me. Got the motherboard. You can see there's a lot of dust here. So now I've got the board out, and I actually managed to get the big plug out. Yet to it was a bit hard though, but I managed to get it out. So now what we need to do is just clean it. So get the hoover on again, and yeah, continue. Same on the other side, same on the other circuit board. Okay, oh, now that's cleaned now.